Right, so let's go through each of these steps one by one. The first step is to build the neural network. I will give you like a simple example, again, which you can easily generalize to like more complex architectures. So PyTorch provides you a package which is called a neural network. So torch.nn for short. Okay. Now, what you need in your architecture when you write the code, and now we are talking about like the actual coding. Okay, so just bear with me. I understand it can be complicated to understand code like through slides, but I will try my best. So what you do is you actually need some kind of forward function which will do the feed forward operation for you, right? So given the data, it will perform all those transformations to generate the output. Okay, so for that operation, you have this neural network.module function or library, which you can use to actually create all the layers in your network. Okay, and then this is like very specific function which you will always need. So whenever you're defining your neural network, you will always need a function which will be named forward. Okay, we'll talk about that, what exactly that function looks like, but just keep that in mind. And that forward function will take the input, which is like your data, and this function will define like the steps as your layers inside your network are actually transforming your data to produce the output. So this is actually the core of your architecture. And that's why we need this like this function. Okay. So that will do the forward function. And for the backward, we really don't have to care about this because PyTorch has like a very efficient way to do that. And we have AutoGrad, which automatically finds the gradients for you so that you don't have to compute the gradients for each and every variable. And all we have to do is like just call this function. Okay, so if you call this function as I showed you earlier, right? So it will do it automatically for you. Don't have to worry. So the only thing we have to worry is about forward function, where we are defining the architecture, the actual architecture of our model.